Good morning everyone. I am Rini John, your English teacher. Today we are studying the 8th standard, first unit, first poem, Taj Mahal. This poem written by Rabindranath Tagore. I have prepared a presentation regarding the chapter which is now visible to you. About the author. He was a Bengali writer who reshaped Bengali literature and music as well as Indian art in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Author of Geetanjali and its profoundly sensitive, fresh and beautiful words, he became the first non-European to win the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913. In translation, his poetry was viewed as a spiritual and influential. Can you see this picture? We can study this poem. Taj Mahal is considered as one of the 7 wonders of the world. It is a work of art that excels time and history. The following lines are from Tagore's poem, Shah Jahan. In this poem, Tagore speaks of the immortal creation, the Taj Mahal and the timeless appeal of that great monument. Now, let's go through the lines of the poem and enjoy them. You know, Emperor of India, Shah Jahan, that life, youth, wealth, renown, all float away down the stream of time. Your only dream was to preserve forever your heart's pain. The harsh thunder of imperial power would fade into sleep like a sunset's crimson splendor. But it was your hope that at least a single eternally heaved sigh would stay to grieve the sky. Though emeralds, rubies, pearls are all but are as the glitters of a rainbow, tricking out empty air and must pass away, yet still one solitary tear would hang on the cheek of the time in the form of this white and gleaming Taj Mahal. Now explain these lines. You know, Emperor of India, Shah Jahan, that's life, youth, wealth, renown, all float away down the stream of time. Shah Jahan, you were the Emperor of India and you understood that life, youth, wealth, name and fame were short-lived. All of them would float away with the flow of time. അല്ലയോ ഷാജഹാൻ, നിങ്ങളുടെ ജീവിതവും യുവത്വവും ധനവും പ്രശസ്തിയുമെല്ലാം ഈ കാലയവനികൾക്കുള്ളിൽ അപ്രത്യക്ഷമാവുമെന്ന് അങ്ങേക്കറിയില്ലേ? Your only dream was to preserve forever your heart's pain. Your only dream was to make your love and memory of Mumtaz Mahal eternal. അങ്ങയുടെ പ്രിയതമയായ മുംതാസിന്റെ ഓർമ്മ നിലനിർത്തുക എന്നതാണ് അങ്ങയുടെ സ്വപ്നം. What's the meaning of renown? Renown means fame. What's the meaning of float? Float means move or flow on the surface. What's the meaning of preserve? Preserve means keep or protect. What's the meaning of forever? Forever means eternally, anashwaramaya. Now go through the other lines. The harsh thunder of the imperial power would fade into sleep like a sunset's crimson splendor. The imperial commands would lose their harshness and thunderous sound and become silent just like the reddish beauty of the sunset. Sky fades away into the darkness. അങ്ങയുടെ രാജാധികാരത്തിന്റെ ഇടിമുഴക്കം, അസ്തമയ സൂര്യന്റെ ചുവപ്പ് നിറം നഷ്ടമാകുന്നത് പോലെ നിദ്രയിൽ that at least a single eternally hid sigh would stay to grieve the sky. But you hope that the sigh of your painful heart in love and your beloved Mundas would last and make even the sky sad forever. പക്ഷെ അങ്ങ് സ്വപ്നം കണ്ടു, മുന്താസിനോട് അങ്ങയ്ക്കുള്ള അടങ്ങാത്ത പ്രണയം നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ട് അങ്ങയുടെ വേദനിക്കുന്ന ഹൃദയം പുറപ്പെടുവിക്കുന്ന നെടുവീർപ്പ്, ആ വേദന കാണുന്ന ആകാശത്തിന് പോലും ദുഃഖമുണ്ടാവുന്നു. വേദനിക്കുന്ന ഷാജഹാൻ ചക്രവർത്തിയുടെ നെടുവീർപ്പാണ് താജ്മഹൽ. What is the meaning of harsh? What is the meaning of harsh? Severe. What is the meaning of imperial? Imperial means of an empire. What is the meaning of crimson? Deep red. Splendor means attraction. Heaved means released. You means feel sad. Though emeralds, rubies, pearls are all but as the glitters of the rainbow, tricking out empty air and must pass away. All the precious stones, emeralds, rubies and pearls are as a transient as the rainbow that decorates the empty air for a short while. None of them will last for long. They all must pass away. All the precious stones, emeralds, rubies and pearls. ഇവയുടെ ശോഭ ശൂന്യാകാശത്തെ അലങ്കരിക്കുന്ന മഴവില്ല് മാഞ്ഞു പോകുന്നത് പോലെ എന്നേക്കുമായി മാഞ്ഞു പോകും. ശൂന്യാകാശത്തെ മഴവില്ല് മാഞ്ഞു പോകുന്ന പോലെ മരതകത്തിന്റെയും മാണിക്യത്തിന്റെയും മുത്തുകളുടെയും ശോഭ നഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടു പോകും. Yet still one solitary tear would hang on the cheek of the time in the form of this white and gleaming Taj Mahal. But one single tear drop will stay eternally on the cheek of time in the form of the gleaming Taj Mahal. എന്നാൽ അനശ്വര പ്രണയത്തിന്റെ വേദനിക്കുന്ന ഓർമ്മകളുമായി കാലത്തിന്റെ കവിൾത്തടത്തിൽ ഒറ്റപ്പെട്ട കണ്ണുനീർ തുള്ളിയായി താജ്മഹൽ. Did you understand the meaning of these lines? What is the meaning of emeralds? Emerald means green colored precious stone. What is the meaning of rubies? Rubies means deep red precious stone. What is the meaning of glitter? Glitter means glow. What is the meaning of tricking out? Decorating. What is the meaning of gleaming? Gleaming means glittering. Now it discusses the questions. What in the poet's view are the things that would float away down the stream of time? What in the poet's view? The answer is life, youth, wealth and renown all float away down the stream of time. The second question, what do you think was? The answer is the memories of his he wanted to preserve. The second question, what do you think was Shah Jahan's heart's pain? The answer is the memories of his beloved Mundas. He wanted to preserve it by building the monuments. The third question, why is imperial power compared to the splendor of sunset? The answer is, like the sunlight, imperial power. I repeat the third question, why is imperial power compared to the splendor of sunset? The answer is, like the sunlight, imperial power also diminish. The fourth question, pick out the lines which means emeralds, rubies and pearls are transient. Answer is, though emeralds, rubies, pearls are all but as the glitters of a rainbow, tricking out empty air and must pass away. Please do the rest as a homework. Try this as a homework, activity 1 and 2. If you have any doubt, please do ask me. I hope you understood this beautiful poem as well. Study well. All the best. Thank you. Thank you.